guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is not an unboxing video. This is actually my teacher's gift bag. So you might be wondering about what all of these gift bags are. 7 gift bags are for my 7 teachers. So these are all chocolates for them that I put up here in this basket. Very nice, and I'll zoom in for you. So as you can see, all those chocolates, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all 7 chocolates are in there, and I'll put them in this bag. Let's start. So has your winter break started? Well, mine hasn't started yet. Mine is gonna start in 2 days. So you might be able to see the time post on the bottom. So let's put these in this. So now that I put everything in this, now we're gonna put this wrapping paper. So now I'm gonna label and also put these. So as you can see, I packed each and every one with this thing on the top. So now all I gotta do is write the name. As you can see, this is how I packed it for all of these. So did you like all of these? All of these are Christmas bags. So as you guys can probably see, this is a gum, this is a gum, this is a snowman, this is Candy Santa. Yeah, so this is a snowman. This is a garden gum. This is another gum. This is Jolly Holiday Wishes. Another snowman, Santa, and then this, Deck the Halls. So as you can see, each one has this kind of empty card where you can write your name and who you're giving it to. So that's what I'm gonna fill out right now. Merry Christmas, and how do you like this video? If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it, then still like it. Remember to subscribe and hit the ding 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 bell. Bye!